86,400 सेकेंड 24 घंटा है, उससे ज़्यादा 1 सेकंड नहीं मिलेगा, तुम कुछ भी कर लो। तब then he said, yes, yes, very right, you are very right. You have to utilize every second. But I can give you more time. It is not possible. It is not possible. But I will give you. I will give you instead of 24 hours, I will give you 48 hours per day. But it is not possible. I will give you. Then they are very intelligent boy. They started thinking, you will increase my concentration power और 24 घंटे का 48 घंटा हो जाएगा. Yes, you got the right thing. You cannot get 1 second more in your bank account. But what you can do, you can finish 1 day's job, 2 days job in 1 day, so you got 1 full day. By increasing power of concentration. This is the way by which your bank account में 86,400 seconds will come. That is true. That you cannot get 1 more second. But the more you make better use of your seconds, you are getting more seconds. This is how you can increase your time. By improving your concentration, improving your focus, and focus on one thing at a time. Do one thing at a time. पहले इंजीनियरिंग समाप्त कर लो, उसके बाद में एमबीए की तैयारी करो. नहीं, हम एमबीए की भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं, इंजीनियरिंग भी कर रहे हैं, साथ में डांसिंग भी कर रहे हैं, म्यूजिक भी कर रहे हैं, सब में फेल. पूरी बाल में क्या हुआ? अरे क्या हुआ? तो व्हाई डिड यू डू दैट? तुमको तो बोला था ना तुम जरूर करो, पर उसके बाद करो, एक साथ करना है. सो फोकस ऑन one thing at a time. Then next is gossiping to be said goodbye. इसमें तो कोई करने का नहीं है. नहीं, गॉसिप बहुत मजा आता है. You know, खास करके आजकल के लड़के लोग वो जब मोबाइल फ़ोन लेते हैं, मैं तो देखता हूँ सब समय मोबाइल फ़ोन यहीं पर है. अभी नया नया सिस्टम आया है, यहाँ पर कुछ लगा दो मोबाइल फ़ोन यहाँ पर, वो भी अच्छी सिस्टम, उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा है. नहीं तो स्कूटर चला रहे हैं फुल स्पीड में, वो यहाँ पर है और टर्न ले रहा है. बस वो टर्न लिया, हमेशा के लिए टर्न हो गया, पीछे से कार तो कहीं. वो मोबाइल में बात कर रहा है, हम कल मिलेंगे. अरे काहे का कल मिलेगा, सब खत्म. मोबाइल में बात करते करते खत्म हो गया. आई एम गिविंग यू रियल एग्जाम्पल. मोबाइल बात करते करते खत्म हो गया. बोले कल मिलेंगे. बोले अब कहाँ मिलेंगे? लगाओ ना इतना मिनट तुमको. अरे मेरे को इतना मिनट फ्री है अभी, इतना मिनट फ्री, उसको तो करना पड़ेगा, वसूल करना पड़ेगा, पैसा वसूल करो. 3,000 SMS फ्री है, अभी तो 2,000 ही हुआ. लगाओ 1,000 SMS, एक दिन में खत्म करना है. लगाओ SMS. सो ये गॉसिपिंग में बहुत मजा आता है. वी एंजॉय गॉसिपिंग, यू एंजॉय, बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर इट इज कॉस्टिंग यू वेरी मच. थोड़ा सा गॉसिपिंग करो. गॉसिपिंग, इफ यू कैन नॉट से गुड बाय टू गॉसिपिंग, एटलीस्ट रिड्यूस इट. अदरवाइज बी प्रिपेयर्ड टू गेट फेलियर्स इन लाइफ. टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं होगा तो वही होगा. सो गॉसिपिंग से भी कभी कभी फ़ायदा होता है. कोई हमको बोलते स्वामी जी आपको मालूम नहीं, गॉसिपिंग में बहुत फ़ायदा होता है. गॉसिपिंग के समय ही हम लोग का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, ये हो जाता है. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. तो यू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज प्रोडक्टिव गॉसिपिंग. बट इन जनरल आई हैव फाउंड गॉसिपिंग टाइम इज ए वेस्ट टाइम. यू फाइंड आउट फॉर योर सेल्फ. हार्मोनाइज. You see, harmony is very important. Harmony between work and worship, harmony between family work and workplace work, both have to be harmonized. Our life has to be harmonized. Harmony between meditation and work, harmony between work and worship. You see, once you get harmony in your life, your energy level goes up. You will find out for yourself. So harmony, and even another harmony is harmony of relationships. If there is harmony in family, you will find there is less of quarrel. If there is less of quarrel, आपका घर में 1 घंटा तो पहले यही जाता है. बेचारा आदमी आता है सारा दिन थक करके, और उसको बैठ करके चाय का नहीं पूछ के पहले ही उसकी बहू उसको पकड़ती, आज तुम्हारी माँ ने मेरे को ये कहा. 1 घंटा वो बेचारा, अरे चाय तो पिला, पहले सुन तेरे माँ ने मुझे क्या कहा. अरे सारा दिन तो मैं बॉस का सुनते आ रहा हूं बाबा, होल डे बॉस का सुनते सुनते आया. अभी यहाँ पर शाम को आकर के 1 कप चाय भी नहीं मिली, उसके पहले शुरू हो गया लेक्चर वाइफ का. 1 घंटा लेक्चर सुनने के बाद, ये तेरी माँ ने मुझे ये कहा है. उसके बाद में वहां अंदर गया रूम में ड्रेस बदलने, माँ तैयार है, तेरी वाइफ ने मुझे ये कहा। अब कहाँ का टाइम मैनेजमेंट, सब गया, आज का जितना आइटम था सब गया, खत्म। सो इफ देयर इज हार्मोनी इन फैमिली यू विल सेव मच टाइम। ये हार्मोनी कैसे आएगी, दैट इज अ सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट। मेरी बुक है हैप्पीनेस एंड पीस इन एवरीडे लाइफ। I will try to see if I can, you can get the book there in the bookstop. Happiness and peace in everyday life. So in that I have given how to bring harmony in family, giving the example of Oson, the Prime Minister of Japan, how he brought harmony in family, that is given there. And I had given that lecture in AMA only. Interruptions should be avoided. That is, now what happens, we try to interfere in others' jobs, in others' work, and that takes lot of our time. Reverse thing happens, sometimes people interfere in our work, and when you are working, that time only telephone will come, that time only the visitor will come. So that is why, because of the interference, you are interfering with others, that also takes a lot of your time, and somebody interferes in you either by telephone or by visiting, then also you lose your time. So you have to minimize your visitors, you have to minimize your telephone calls, you have to have your mobile switch off mode sometimes, or at least on silent mode. This is for, you have to find out for yourself how to reduce the interruptions or interfere, because if the work is interrupted, you will not get concentration and you will not be finished the job properly with quality and in right time, in the scheduled time. So interruptions should be avoided as much as possible. Next is judge yourself. So most important thing, this is self-evaluation. You judge yourself whether you are utilizing the time properly or not, how much of the work I am doing which is not necessary. And also there is another saying by Holy Mother Sharda Devi. You see, lot of our time is wasted because of our relationships, because of our wrong relationship, because of our wastage in, because of the problems arising out of relationships, for which if we can manage our relationships nicely, then we will be able to work properly, we will get more productive time. Now I will give you one tip for maintaining good relationships, which was given by Holy Mother Sharda Devi. Holy Mother Sharda Devi was the wife of Sri Ramakrishna, and Sri Ramakrishna was the guru of Swami Vivekananda, as you know. And Sharda Devi was the mother of all, and she passed away on 21st July 1920. And before she passed away, before 2 days, she was on her deathbed when somebody was weeping, and "Maa, tum chali jaogi, hamara kya hoga?" Then Sharda Devi said, "Don't worry, Sri Ram, Lord will look after you." And then she gave her last message, which is very, very important for all of us. माँ शारदा ने कहा, she said, "My dear child, always remember, do not look at the faults of others. Do not look at the faults of others. Do not judge others. Rather, try to see your own faults. Try to judge yourself. And then, if you try to remove these faults, you will not have any time to look after others' faults. And that will give you peace of mind. If you want peace of mind, यदि तुम शांति चाहते हो, माँ शारदा ने कहा, यदि शांति चाहते हो तो किसी का दोष मत देखना। पर हमको दोष देखने में बड़ा मजा आता है। तो शारदा देवी ने दूसरा वाक्य कहा, दोष देखना ही हो तो अपना देखना। इतना दोष भीतर में मिलेगा, उस दोष को ठीक करते करते जिंदगी निकल जाएगी, दूसरे को दोष देखने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा। यदि शांति चाहते हो तो किसी का दोष मत देखना, दोष देखना हो तो अपना देखना। इस जगत में कोई पराया नहीं है, सब हमारे अपने। Nobody is a stranger in my child in this world, the whole world belongs to you. What a beautiful message of Vedanta given in a very simple language, and that is the secret of peace of mind, that is the secret of relationships, and that will give you ultimately more time, because when your relationships are good, automatically you will save time in fighting, in quarreling among the family. If you want peace of mind, don't look at the fault of others, don't judge others, try to judge yourself. कबीर ने कहा, बुरा जो देखा मैं चला, बुरा न मिला कोई, जो अपना दिल देखा मुझसे बुरा न कोई। बुरा जो देखे मैं चला, बुरा न मिला कोई, जो दिल अपना देखा मुझसे बुरा न कोई. I went in search of finding out, judging others, how many faults are there, but I did not get any fault. But when I looked inside, all faults were mine. So try to judge yourself and try to remove the defects that you are having rather than judging you others, and also try to judge yourself as to how much time you are utilizing, how much you are wasting. Keep to time, be punctual. Just now we talked about punctuality. For getting punctuality, plan in advance, look at the alternatives, allow latitude or margins for delays, cancellations, etc. It is best to reach ahead of time rather than getting late. I'll give an example. Fourth president of Ramakrishna Order, Swami Vijnananand ji, he had a very peculiar habit. At that time, I'm talking, he passed away in 1939. He was the fourth president. He was a direct disciple of Sri Ramakrishna and a brother disciple of Swami Vivekananda. It is Swami Vijnananand ji who built that Ramakrishna temple in Belur Math. So he had a peculiar habit. Whenever he would go to the railway station for catching a train, he will go 4 hours in advance, 5 hours in advance. And all the people who will accompany, अरे वहाँ 4-5 घंटा आगे जाके क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि उनको तो बैठने के लिए वो स्टेशन मास्टर खुद की चेयर दे देगा, बाकी लोगों को खड़े रहना पड़ेगा 5 घंटा. बोले स्वामी जी ये क्या आपका पिक्युलर है, बट ही विल नॉट लिसन. Why are you going so early? He will keep mum. But he said we have to go. What happened the day he told, somebody told, Swamiji, you must change your habit, you are going too early. That very day when they were traveling, there was a puncture. And that time there was no puncture shop in Calcutta, near on that same road. So they had to take the tire, and there was no extra wheel also. So they went all there, 2 hours they had to sit there, wait for the puncture to be done, and lastly they reached the station right in time. And Vijnananand did not say, he did like this, समझ गए मैं क्यों जल्दी आता हूँ. Now they did not have any reply. So it is safer to reach earlier rather than cutting a sorry figure. ट्रेन चली गई क्या करो, next ट्रेन में reservation नहीं है. So that is why we should be very careful and plan in advance and keep to the time. Try to be punctual, but as I showed you, punctuality is only one side of the time management. L is learn to say no. I have yet to learn this, but I am trying to learn. What happens? There are so many invitations, and everybody is so progressive. For me, I am giving you my example, and they say, no, Swamiji, आपको आना ही पड़ेगा. अरे पर मेरे को उसी समय ये है, नहीं आपको आना ही पड़ेगा. सुबह वहाँ जाओ, दोपहर को वहाँ जाओ, and then it is become so, I have to manage so many things, and the travel has to be this one. नहीं सूरत में मेरा प्रोग्राम है, नहीं आप शाम को हम आपका प्रोग्राम रखेंगे, आपको हम गाड़ी देंगे, ये करेंगे, आपको आना ही पड़ेगा. And I see their sincerity, I can't say no. And again somebody comes, I can't say no. Then over a period I saw that this way nothing will happen, and I will collapse before making the fulfillments of all. So now I will not be able to commit, I will not be able to fulfill my commitments. When I am not able to fulfill my commitments, I should bite as much as I can chew. And so that way can happen only if I can say no to others. Now I have started saying no, they feel very bad, but what to do? Because I know I will not be able to do it. I have got so many other jobs. I have to give this report to our headquarters. This relief work also, I have to collect funds. Our lecture hall we are building, that we have to collect funds. So many things are happening simultaneously. And if I take up so many invitations of so many colleges, there are thousands of colleges, so many companies, they are also wanting. So I know my limitations, I will not be able to go. So I say no. They feel bad, I also feel bad, but we must say when to say no. But of course politely, very sweetly, I never say no. Yes, I will come, but not this time. We are not cancelling, we are postponing. And then okay, तो 2 महीने बाद मेरे को फोन करना, मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. फिर दूसरा चार्ट देख करके वो तो उस तारीख होती है, अच्छा नेक्स्ट ईयर. But I never say no. But I am saying no. I am saying no in such a manner, very politely, they don't feel bad. Sometimes they feel bad, I cannot help. But we must learn to say no. लर्निंग टू से नो मीन्स नहीं मैं नहीं होगा, जो करना है कर लो। अरे वो तो क्या है, वो तो कोई भी बोल सकता है, मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ जाओ करना है कर लो, क्या करेगा, क्या कर लेगा, यही होगा मन में 10 गाली देके चला जाए। बट वी डोंट वांट दैट, वी वांट हार्मोनियस रिलेशनशिप्स, we don't want to give suffering to others. Politely say that at present it is not possible, we will try to do. So you must learn to say no, and how to say no, that also you must learn how to say no in a polite language so that they don't feel bad. At the same time we know our limitations. Then manage. So the management of time is connected with all types of other management, that is stress management, management of relationships, management of your workplace, management of your work, so many things. If you manage properly, then only you will be able to manage properly. Now or never. There is a beautiful book, The Power of Now, isn't it? Power of Now. किताब के पढ़ा है किसी ने? नहीं पढ़ा? There is a beautiful book, The Power of Now. So now means अभी, अभी करो. तुलसीदास ने क्या कहा? काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पलमा पल्ले होएगी बहुरी करेगो कब. परंतु ये कुछ लोग बोलते हैं आज करे सो काल कर, काल करे सो परसों, इतनी क्या है प्यारे जब जीना है बरसों. So these are the people who want to postpone everything. Procrastination, वो पी में आएगा, procrastination to be avoided. अरे आज करे सो काल कर, क्या जल्दी यार, कल करेंगे. और कल कभी आता नहीं, याद रखना कल कभी नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि कल फिर दूसरा कल आएगा. कल जब आया अच्छा कल करेंगे, फिर कल है परसों अच्छा कल करेंगे, वो कल वो रहेगा. भद्रलोकेर एक कथा, बंगला में कहते हैं भद्रलोकेर एक कथा, जेंटलमैन स्पीक ओनली वन ट्रूथ, सो दे विल आल्सो से हाँ कल करेंगे. अरे आपने कहा था आज करने के लिए कल करें, बोलो मैं तो यही बोल रहा हूँ कल करूंगा. वो कल कभी आने वाला नहीं, क्योंकि कल का दूसरा कल है, फिर दूसरा कल है, दूसरा कल है, आगामी कल हमेशा आएगा. तो डोंट पोस्टपोन टू फ्यूचर, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन टू बी अवॉइडेड, डू इट नाउ. Organizing very important. Organizing your workplace, organizing your papers and files, that will save lot of time. कितना सारा हमारा टाइम चला जाता है, एक पेपर मिल नहीं रहा है, फाइलिंग ठीक से किया नहीं है. So proper filing, proper managing your papers, proper managing your dress. अरे कपड़ा, अरे टाइम हो रहा है, पार्टी का टाइम हो रहा है, कपड़ा मिल नहीं रहा है, कहाँ रखा, आज जूता कहाँ रखा. So everything is a proper time, then it will save your time. So organize yourself. Planning is very important. So for planning there are so many other items are available. Plan to do list are also there. There are planning diaries are available. Planning diaries are available every day, what you should plan, it's given there. So if you have planned diaries, and if you have got this to-do list, every day night you prepare a to-do list, kal subah kya karna hai, and start doing the activities which are most important, most urgent, then urgent, not important, then important, not important but urgent, and last not important, not urgent. Likewise you try to do the list, ye plan karna padega, then you will be able to do much better. Then there is the thing, quit the nonsense. You find out what is nonsense for you, and you find that you enjoy, the small children enjoy video games, so they should quit the video games. Do you know in America the third generation of TV viewers is going on. The psychologists, they discovered on an average a child sees for 5 hours TV there in America, and they found out that the children who are born to the parents who were looking at TV more, who were seeing TV more, viewing TV more, and their grandfathers also were seeing TV more, these children who are born to such parents and grandparents, by very birth they analyzed they have got a very, very strong optical nerve, so they will be able to see TV much better. And the optical nerve is missing, it is not there. Analytical nerve is not there, because in TV you don't have to analyze anything, it automatically comes 3 dimensions. So analytical nerve is missing, and then they discovered, my God, this TV will make analytical mind go and you will not have any brains. So they have given the name idiot box. and they are throwing the idiot box now, and we are taking those, importing those idiot box and putting in our drawing room and spoiling our children. So I am not saying there are maybe good programs in TV, this and that, but whatever you find out which are the programs which are not important to be seen, or which destroys our mind, which destroys our children, which makes our children violent, don't try to have those types of TVs, and that also spoils your time and also spoils the mind and also spoils so many other things. So that is why you try to quit those nonsense. Then routine, most important. You must have a routine. Plan, you must have a fixed routine. इतने बजे उठना, इतने बजे सोना, इतने बजे बैठना, इतने बजे खाना. This is very important. Now this is precisely what most of the students, they are suffering from. They are not able to study properly, because what happens that they are following a very haphazard life. So many children come to me. भाई सवारे કેટલા વાગે ઉઠે છે? એ નક્કી નહીં. સુધી 6 વાગે 7 વાગે, રવિવારે તો 9 વાગે. ભાઈ તારું સુવર્ણ ટાઈમ શું છે? કે નક્કી નહીં. કોઈ 10 વાગે, કોઈ 11 વાગે, સારું પીતો 12 વાગે ટીવીમાં. એ ભાઈ તારું ભણવાનો ટાઈમ શું છે? કે નક્કી નહીં. મૂડ આવે ત્યારે ભણી લઉં. ભાઈ તારું જમવાનો ટાઈમ શું છે? કે નક્કી નહીં. ભૂખ લાગે ત્યારે ખાઈ લઉં. ભાઈ તારો ટીવી જોવાનો ટાઈમ? નક્કી નહીં. રમવાનો ટાઈમ? નક્કી નહીં. પછી એ લોકોને પૂછે, સ્વામીજી આ મનની એકાગ્રતા ક્યારે આવશે? કે નક્કી નહીં. તમારો જવાબ તમને પાછું, तुम्हारा कुछ निश्चित नहीं है तो एकाग्रता भी निश्चित नहीं. So then I tell them, if you want concentration, you must have regularity of life. And I tell them, more regular the life, the more will be the concentration, the more will be the control of mind. If you really want to control the mind, if you really want to get most out of your mind, you must have control over your mind. And control of mind will directly be proportional to regularity of your life. Now, once you make a timetable, some people say it becomes monotonous, it becomes mechanical. Okay, you have a variety. On holidays, you can have another type of timetable. And sometimes you change your timetable, but you must follow timetable. Prepare a timetable, even if you are not able to follow 100%, but have a timetable. What happens when you are regular activity? The settling down time is those who are cricket batsmen. They know. First of all, they want to, when they start playing, they have some settling down time. Before settling, if they start to play the shots, they will be caught in the boundary line. So there is something called settling down time. First of all, they have to watch the ball is moving off spin or leg spin, what is the type of pitch, how much turn is it taking, and then play your shot. Otherwise, you will be caught in the boundary line. So there is some settling down time. But so every day when you are changing your time, it takes time for you to settle down in your study, in your other activities. But when there is a routine, so your mind is very well predetermined. Yes, 5 o'clock I have to get up. Yes, 5:30 I have to do meditation. Yes, 6 o'clock I have to do exercise. Yes, 7 o'clock breakfast. We have got, for example, in ashrama, there is bell. Morning there will be Shankha, 5 o'clock, go to Arati. 7 o'clock, bell, breakfast. 12 o'clock, bell, lunch. Likewise, everything is determined by the bell. So, our mind is preconditioned. Exactly at 12 o'clock, there will be hunger. There will be hunger inside. But I have to tell my mind, no, it is not ashram. Abhi AM mein lecture chal raha hai, chup. But this thing comes. Your mind is prepared for this type of activity. So routine is very, very important. If you have a fixed routine, then you will be able to have better control over mind and you will be able to save your time. Next is save time minute by minute. You know, when there is a cricket match going on, pitch is very bad, it's turning pitch, and the bowling is very, very tight, and the ball is turning, and you are not able to play your shots, because if you play your shots, you will be caught at the boundary line. What is the solution? Single. ऐसा किया दौड़ के चले गए, ऐसा किया दौड़ के चले गए. So you try to steal the singles. So when we are not able to manage time, when we tight schedule, we have a very tight schedule, we are not able to fetch half an hour from any activity, fetch 1 minute. 1 minute from here, 1 minute from there, 1 minute from there, total you got 10 minutes more. Only 1 minute. So when the students say, what to do, mera time itna schedule, very, very tight schedule, very tight schedule. Acha, how many hours you are sleeping? 6 hours. 6 hours you are sleeping. If you sleep 1 minute less, will you fall sick? Then reduce 1 minute. अलार्म रख दिया 5 बजे के बदले 4:49 को, 4:59 को, 1 मिनट. सो राइट फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग यू आर 1 मिनट अहेड, 1 मिनट पहले से ही आगे बढ़ गया तुम्हारा शेड्यूल. एवरीवेयर यू आर विनिंग 1 मिनट. फिर स्टडी में, फिर कोई हमारा बाथिंग में 15 मिनट, 14 मिनट कर दो. Likewise, you try to still single, 1 minute in every activity, and you find you are getting 15-20 minutes per day. So this is what you have to do. Tipe tipe sarovar bharai. In Gujarati there is a proverb. Tipe tipe sarovar bharai. So when you are not able to save time by drastic methods, at least you save minute by minute. And likewise, you will be able to reserve time. So save time minute by minute. T, tame your mind. Tame is a monkey. You know, the mind is like a monkey. Swami Vivekananda gives the example. Do you know? There was a monkey. You know, monkeys are very restless, always jumping. So there was a monkey which was always jumping. And what happened? Suddenly, some scorpion stung. So it started jumping more. Then somebody gave a liquor. So after taking liquor, he was more jumping. It was more jumping. And then, at the end, a ghost entered into the body. Then you find how much the monkey is jumping. Similarly, Swamiji says, our mind is very nature, very restless. And day and night we are drinking the liquor. What is that? Wine? We are taking the wine of desire. आज मेरे को ये करना है, I want to get this one, I want to get Mercedes-Benz car, I want to get this bungalow, I want to get this dress. So many desires. We are drinking the wine, and so mind is becoming more restless. Then scorpion is stinging. What is scorpion? Jealousy. मेरे से आगे बढ़ गया. कैसे आगे बढ़ गया? Let me see how it goes ahead of me. Jealousy. That jealousy comes, mind becomes more restless, and then a ghost of ego comes. जानते नहीं मैं कौन हूँ? बता दूंगा. So this ego, when this comes, our mind becomes very restless. Unless until we control the mind, taming the mind, taming the monkey is very important. Then only you will be able to get more time, and we will be able to manage more time. Utilize the tools of time management, like there are planning diaries, and there are there are many clocks. There are alarm clocks. Likewise, you can use it as a tool. Verify. This is very important. You know, I had gone to Raipur so many years back. So from Raipur I wanted to go to Calcutta. So we found the ticket was not available. So we told the agents that I must go on 17th of particular month, and the train was starting at night 10:30 from Raipur. So I said I want the ticket for 17th. So first of all they said it is not available. Even the travel agent, they said it is not available. Then again the telephone call from Raipur is not available, but there is Bilaspur quota. From Bilaspur quota it is available. I said okay, then you get it from Bilaspur quota. So from Bilaspur quota the ticket was reserved, and I got into the train at Raipur station. I was sleeping nicely, and then Bilaspur came at 12:30 p.m. At 12:30 a.m., 0:30 a.m. After midnight, the Bilaspur came, and the station, the TT checker came. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you sleeping? I am sleeping on my berth. I have got reservation. No, this person is saying it is his berth, but I have got my reserved seat. दोनों अपना अपने reservation slip बता रहे हैं. He also showed, the other person showed his reserved slip. Yes, that is also same berth, same compartment, everything same. I said, you see, this is coach number A1, 13 number slip. This is it. Then the TT वो भी चकरा गया. अरे ये दोनों का A1 berth number भी same है. Then he said, अरे आपका ट्रेन 24 घंटा पहले चला गया. He told me, वो क्या हुआ था कि 17th रात को 12 बजे के बाद ट्रेन चेंज हो जाता है. इसने बटे ने चेंज नहीं किया, एजेंट ने, उसने वही 17th का टिकट का चेंज किया बिलासपुर से. तब तक मैं तो 18th हो गया बाबा, ये ट्रेन का था हमारा. सो उतरिए. देन आई हैड टू गेट डाउन, आई हैड टू गो बाय सिटिंग, बट आई वुड हैव लॉस्ट माय ट्रेन एंड आई हैड गॉट LR engagement. So you will be missing your engagements, you will be mismanaging your time if you do not verify. Always when you get the ticket, air ticket, railway ticket, अभी की बात है. Just now I came here last night from Delhi. When I went to Delhi, some people were to receive me. So when I got down, I told that I am coming. Yes, gate number 2. Yes, gate number 2. I have come out of the gate number 2, person is not coming to receive me. Then again telephone. Where are you? In gate number 2. I am also at gate number 2. But I am at gate number 2. I am also gate number 2. Both are shouting. But I am waiting for half an hour. I am also waiting for half an hour for you. Then later on discovered that he has gone to gate number 2 of arrival, ordinary domestic. Where are you? Domestic airport. I am at domestic airport. But now another T3 has come. New terminal. Now Jet Airways goes to the T3 terminal. Then actually it was my mistake. I should have told them in the ticket it was written T3 terminal, not domestic terminal. He was charging it. Then I said I am here. Then he could discover there is a flyover. Yes, this is T3 terminal. Yes, in the ticket is written T3 terminal. Then he came to T3 terminal. Then I lost how much? Only 1 hour. Unnecessarily. Had I seen that T3 terminal in my ticket, had I told them that is T3 terminal, then so much of labor would not have been lost, so much of this, so much of energy would not have lost. So verifying everything, you get the air ticket, you get railway ticket, before going, you verify whether time is in train or time is in time or not. Sometimes the trains are late. Nowadays it is इतना ज़्यादा लेट नहीं होती, पहले तो बहुत लेट होती थी. पहले का तो ये था, इंडियन रेलवेज के बारे में कहा जाता था कि एक बार ट्रेन गलती से देखा कि एकदम राइट टाइम आई है और बोले कि आज तो ये इंडियन रेलवेज को हम लोग को जरूर से वी मस्ट फेलिसिटेट द इंडियन रेलवेज, एग्जैक्ट टाइम पर आई. अरे साहब बाबूजी ये कल की ट्रेन है, 24 घंटा लेट है केवल. हाँ 24 घंटा. आई हैव आल्सो फेस्ड 24 आवर्स, बट दैट टाइम देयर वाज सम एक्सीडेंट, बट आई हैव फेस्ड दिस प्रॉब्लम. 24 आवर्स लेट. Whatever it is, you verify the train number and your bogie number, coach number, date, time. So this will save a lot of time. And before you go, you must give a message by email, and communication gap should be avoided. So this verification, whether he has received that proper communication or not, that is also very important. Otherwise you will be losing time. Then wastage of time has to be reduced. Now what is the wastage? You know better than me. You know, you have to find out for yourself what is your wastage of time. I know my wastage of time, but sometimes I am wasting because there is no other way out. I am trying to reduce the wastage, but even today I am wasting. क्या करें, बुरा लगेगा, नहीं इच्छा है, जाना पड़ता है, क्या करेंगे. But you know, certain times we have to waste time, but you purposely waste when you are wasting. But you must know that you are wasting time, and wherever possible, you try to avoid waste of time. Then you xeroxing your schedule. You prepare a schedule, give the copies to others so that they know your schedule. For example, I have put my schedule in my website rkmvododara.com/sn. I will put the website here. Our ashrama's website is rkmvododara.com. www.rkmvododara.com. वडोदरा नहीं हुआ ना, वडोदरा.com. And if you put /sn, then it is my personal website. There I given my schedule for the next whole year, so that I don't have to waste my time. वो पहले बोलते हैं आप हमारे इस बार लेक्चर के आइए, पहले अरे पहले शेड्यूल देख लो मेरा, उस तारीख को मैं वहाँ पर लखनऊ में हूँ. अननेसेसरी, हाउ कैन आई कम ऑन 7th of December? You tell me, how can I come at 2 places? अभी क्लोनिंग तो शुरू नहीं हुआ है, what can I do? So see the schedule. So you put your schedules, inform others, so that your wastage of time or communication not then. Why? Yes, I can do it. If you believe you can manage your time properly, you can reduce wastages. Yes, I know that the techniques of time management. Yes, I will try to follow the techniques. Yes, it can be done, and it will be done by me. I can save time, and I will manage time I manage better. That positive attitude must come to you, that will help you in managing time better. And then Z is Zen meditation. Zen meditation is nothing but awareness. Am I aware what I am doing? Are you aware that you are listening to me? Am I aware that I am talking to you? Normally we are not. So this keeping the awareness. So am I aware I am wasting how much time? This awareness. So Zen meditation, try to practice at least for 1 minute in the morning and in the evening. Gradually you can have little more meditation, and then that will be able to give you much better control over self. And this, if you are able to manage time properly, then you will be able to manage your stress also properly, because most of the time stress arises because you are not able to finish the jobs in the proper time. So time management, stress management are very much interrelated. Actually speaking, we had to finish at 12:30. I am sorry, I have taken more time. In fact, I wanted to have question answer session. Now time is not there. If you want, I can have question answer. But if you are in a mood to go, then I can go. Yes, 1 or 2 questions we can take up. And afterwards, what happened? I will be here downstairs near our bookshop. We have brought our bookshop. You can get so many of my CDs, so many of my books and all that downstairs. And there near the bookshop, I will stay for some time. You can ask me questions which you could not ask because of the shortage of time. So about time management or anything, you can ask me questions at that time. Or in my website, you can download many of my CDs available in this website. Many of my articles are available. Plus, I am on Facebook. Our Ramakrishna Mission Ashram of Vivekananda Memorial Vadodara is also on Facebook. Plus, many of my CDs are available on YouTube and also iTunes. So, you can, and in my website, I have put 100 questions, FAQ, frequently asked questions. So, you will get replies in many of these. Still, we can take 1 or 2 questions. Yes, please. How to change the old habits? Attitudes. Very difficult. Very difficult, I can understand, because old habits are very difficult to be changed. But where there is will, there is a way. Where there is will, there is a way. And if you are not able to change, pray to God, He will help you to change your habits. Any other question? Yes.
If there is incompetence of work, at the end of the day, then there is a negative attitude or negative feeling in our mind. So how to
overcome that? Yes. I will tell you. Biti tahi bisar de, aage ki sudh le. Let us forget the past. Past is a cancelled check. Now, let us work on the present. Present is a gift. Let us try to make. जो हुआ तो होगा, भूल जाओ. Let us try now again. जो हो गया सो उसको जो दूध गिर गया अभी वो वापस नहीं आएगा, उसको छोड़ दो, रोना छोड़ दो, रोना धोना छोड़ दो. Now, अभी next, what next? Golden future is awaiting you. Mistake होती है. Swami Vivekananda says, failures, they are the beauty of life. What would be life without it? Failures are the beauty of life. I never had a cow tell a lie, but he is always a cow and never a man. A man makes a mistake, tomorrow he will become great. Cow never tells a lie, never makes a mistake, it will remain a cow. So, we learn for our mistake, don't worry. We should learn from mistake and have a positive attitude, for which books of Swami Vivekananda will help you very much. Particularly the books like Thoughts of Power and will help you very much. Yes? Positive? Cognitive resource, how to manage? Yes, that is again I said there is only one word for any type of this, whatever you are telling, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes a man perfect. And even if you are failing,